It's Bonnie. Happy Saturday. Hey, got one more video for you guys. I am so excited to share this. Check it out. I have 3 Ipsy boxes to share with you guys. I have the Glam Bag, the Boxycharm, and the Icon box. Oh my goodness. So we're going to go through each of these because now that Ipsy and Boxycharm have merged, there's a lot going on. So I am part of the Ipsy Open Studios program, which means I get all 3 boxes for free. And we're gonna kind of go through these. This is actually really fun. So we're going to start with the Glam Bag. Check it out. I love these cute little bags. I'm actually going to use this one like now. This is going to be my now bag. This is $13 a month and you get 5 products. So I got in this one, I got the Glow Recipe Strawberry Smooth Salicylic Serum. Oh, that's cool. I'm going to try that. I got the Core's Foaming Cleanser. It's actually a fairly decent size. I got the BFF Brow Friends Forever from the Beauty Crop for your brows. And then I got, a mascara. This is Great Length Mascara, Lengthening and Thickening Mascara from Beauty. What is this? What company is this? It says ButanIQBeauty.com. Okay. Got a mascara, and then I got the Beauty Jasmine Illuminating Highlighter. Let me check out this. Always fun to get a little travel highlighter. Oh yeah. Oops. I was dropped it, you guys. It's a travel size. It's cute and tiny. There we go. So that's super cute. So I got those 5 things in the bag. So that is $13. So then we move to the bigger one. This is now called the Boxycharm, and it's $28 a month, and you get 5 full-size products. So I'm going to show you what I got in here, and then we're going to do the big Icon box. So first up, I got the Lovecraft Beauty. This is a liquid eyeliner. I'm going to gift this. You know, I don't use liquid eyeliner. Oh, there it is. It's that way. I'll just make a mess. I got the translucent Dominique Smooth and Blur setting powder. Oh, that's always fun. I like a good setting powder. So I got that. That's cool. I got the coconut coffee scrub. What the heck is that? Exfoliator for smooth, glowing skin. Oh, that looks kind of interesting. I'm gonna have to give that a try. I like anything with a coffee in it. That's always fun. I got number 4 is super blush. A travel blush. This is from Persona. Let me check this out. See if I can't drop it now. Oh, that's pretty color. Look at that for summer. And then the final thing I got, look, check it out. I got a palette. What is this? Oops, I got a new garbage can too. Can I tell you how excited I am? This is from Iconic London, by the way, that I have a new garbage can. That made me like the most happy this week of anything. This is beautiful for summer. Look at these shades. Oh my goodness, those are awesome. Okay, so that was a major win. Okay, I just dropped the box. Okay, I got it here. Okay, so new eyeshadow palette. I might try these out this week. I'm looking for like a new look for this week. I need to update for summer. Okay, so now for the exciting part, the big box. So this is called the Icon box, and members can you can upgrade to this. I think these come out quarterly. This is a big box of stuff. I'm going to show you what I got in here. So there's a lot of full-size stuff in here. So it says, let yourself bloom. That's the theme for the month. And let me see here. This just has a bunch of interesting, cool stuff about the box, but this is kind of like the PR in there. So first up, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 8 things. I got the MAC Magic Extension 5mm fiber mascara. I'm actually excited to try this. I've heard about this, so I'm gonna try that out. I got the JLO Beauty. That JLo, is this JLo? And I just made a fool of myself? Probably. Glow. Tighten and brighten. I gotta look this up. Seriously, is this JLO or is this something by JLo? I don't even know. I'm kind of out of touch right now, you guys. It's pretty. I gotta look that up. I do know who JLo is, thank you. Glow Recipe. I know what Glow Recipe is. This is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. I'm actually excited about this one. For summer, check this out. I'd like to try this. This actually looks really good. I'm going to spray a little bit of this. Does it smell like watermelon or is it just like a... Oh, it smells like watermelon. Oh, that smells so good. Okay. I really like the Glow Recipe stuff. That's exciting. Okay, I'm all on board with that one. Skin Ink Supplement Bar Body Sculpt Fit Serum. Lightweight body serum melts into skin and helps lift, tone, and smooth. Well, who couldn't use that? I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Satin Lipstick in praline. That sounds delicious. Let me see what the shade is. Oh, that's a pretty tube too. Oh, praline is pretty. Oh, look at that. That's like a nice, if I put it on over. Nice summer lipstick. That's actually really pretty. Okay. I'm liking that. Okay, and then we have, this is another lip product, Anastasia, a stick highlighter. Anastasia Beverly Hills stick highlighter. Oh, that's fun. What is this? Oh, it's a brush on one side. And then the other side, oh, that's pretty. Look at this. That is gorgeous. That is nice for summer. Can you see that? That is a beautiful glowing product. Gotta try that out. Okay, I'm getting more excited by this box. That is nice. Anastasia Beverly Hills, the cream bronzer. So this is actually a $350 value, up to a $350 value each month. So this is the bronzer. Check that out. And it is a cream. So you could blend it, which is always nice. All of these products look beautiful together. Oops, I'm dropping my box here. I can tell the lipstick, the highlighter, and the bronzer are all going to look good together. Okay, now we're going to get rid of the box. Oh, another Glow Recipe. This is the Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. Yeah, I'm going to try that out too. Lots of summer stuff. I love the Glow Recipe bottles. This is really pretty. So let me check this out. And then, oh, it's like it's a pump. Put a little bit of this on. Okay, this does not have a scent, which doesn't surprise me. Because probably nobody wants watermelon on their eyes. So I'm going to try this one out too. So that's exciting. Actually, it's not watermelon, it's guava. I was getting them mixed up. It's guava. That's okay. It's the Guava Vitamin C Brightening Eye Gel. So 2 Glow Recipes, 3 Anastasia Beverly Hills. I feel like this is a, my mom's dropping beads. It's all good. I feel like this is a really neat box. I'm digging the icon box. I think this is a lot of fun. So anyway, if you have this box, let me know, because there's a lot of different combos I think that people got in the box. So it says right here, below are the products featured. You may have gotten an Ace Beauty palette, the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream, Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Definer. Let me see what else is in here. The Magic Touch Concealer, Anastasia Beverly Hills Eyeshadow Palette. So a lot of people probably got a lot of different stuff. Let me see. I'm looking up the JLo Beauty. That is actually a $105 value right here. I'm going to have to read more about that because I'm not really even sure what it does. But some of the other products, like the value on them, For example, the Glow recipe, the watermelon, which smells amazing, $29 value. Let's see, what else did I get here? The Glow recipe, brightening, the guava eye serum is a $38 value. And then some of the Anastasia products, let me see. I got the bronzer. That's what I got here. I got the cream bronzer. What shade did I get? Oh, I got the caramel. These are a $35 value. You can tell it's a really high quality product. I like it. So anyway, I'm excited. Thank you so much to Ipsy for gifting me all of this amazing product. If you have any questions, let me know. Check out Ipsy. I actually have a referral link now, so I will put that below if you're interested. I will see you guys later. Bye bye.